Namaste to all of you. I am Ravi Asrani from Indore, India. It is a matter of great pleasure for me to tell you about my last year's Vedic maths journey. I have given an account of my previous work in the field of Vedic mathematics in the 6th International Online Conference organized by IIVM. I am extremely grateful to IIVM for giving me a chance once again. So I present glimpses of my last year's Vedic maths activities. Presently, we are running Omni Academy, a center for learning Vedic mathematics. My passion for Vedic maths encouraged me to develop an ideal program so that students of all age groups learn Vedic maths joyfully in this center. Rajwada is a historical palace and heart of Indore city. Me and my mentor colleague Mr. Shashikant Chitnis set up a new center for learning Vedic mathematics near Rajwada. We had planned to start this center in the month of April 2020. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, lockdowns were announced in India on 25th March 2020. We were helpless and accepted the destiny. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to open this center yet after a year. The lockdown gave us enough time to do our research work. We have discovered a new mathematical constant among 90 lakh 7 digit numbers using Vedic Math Sutras. We have already revealed our discovery in the 7th International Online Conference. I started looking for new avenues for propagation of Vedic mathematics. I have registered as local service provider of teaching Vedic maths on government career portal. Also, I have created my YouTube channel entitled Blissful Vedic Maths. Model Career Center and District Employment Exchange Indore organized online Vedic Maths sessions via my YouTube videos from 23rd April to 27th April and 5th May to 31st May from 11 am to 4 pm for aspirants of competitive exams. I was a speaker in the webinar on holistic development of human brain through Vedic mathematics organized by Maharaja Ranjit Singh College of Professional Sciences Indore on June 17. More than 200 participants attended the webinar and activated their right side of brain through Vedic maths. I have presented the most remarkable contribution of ancient Indian mathematicians to algebra in the International Conference on Emerging Trends in Vedic Mathematics organized by JNU India on August 16. I have conducted Vedic Maths webinar on Vedic algebra on August 17 organized by Cosmic Maths Foundation, Kerala of P. Devraj sir. Vigyan Bharati is a non-profit organization in India that works for the popularization of sciences in a nationalist manner. Vigyan Vatika of Vigyan Bharati of Malwa Prant conducted 1 week teachers training program from September 28 to October 20. I was invited as an expert speaker on Vedic maths in the 5th session on October 2 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Presented research paper on contribution of ancient Indian mathematicians third time in a row on December 20 in the 9th National Conference on Mathematics Education organized by Regional Institute of Education Bhopal of National Council of Educational and Research Training NCRT India. On the occasion of National Mathematics Day, birth anniversary of prominent Indian mathematician S. Ramanujan, December 22, I have presented Vedic maths techniques for competitive exams in a workshop organized by Shiksha Sanskriti Utthanyas Indore. MP Council of Science and Technology, an autonomous organization of Government of MP India, organized Ganit Pakhwada from December 21 to December 31. I was invited as a keynote speaker on December 24. I have presented applications of Vedic mathematics in the webinar. SGS ITS, a public engineering institution of MP government located in Indore, celebrated National Mathematics Day on December 26. I was invited as a guest speaker on Vedic Maths. I had a talk on brain development through Vedic Maths in the webinar. Government Polytechnic College Dhar of MP has organized webinar on Vedic Maths for students of 10th, 11th and 12th standard. I have presented elementary level Vedic Maths techniques of arithmetic and algebra in the webinar. Sage University Indore organized 5 days workshop on transmutation of mathematics from ancient to modern era from 1st March to 5th March. I have delivered an expert session on ancient Indian mathematicians and applications of Vedic mathematics as a guest speaker under expert talk. In such difficult time of pandemic, I have started Vedic Maths online classes at nominal fees. I had thought that this would benefit more and more students. I was happy to see that many students from different parts of country have joined online Vedic Maths classes and are enjoying Vedic Maths. Presently, online elementary Vedic Maths course from June 5 to July 11 at nominal course fee of rupees 500 only is going on. I have given proposal to conduct certificate courses on Vedic Maths at different colleges and universities. Also, I am trying for inclusion of Vedic Maths in mathematics of undergraduate courses. I am planning to do research work on applications of Vedic Maths in future, which is need of modern times. This is all about my personal Vedic Maths journey from March 14, 2020 till today. My presentation comes to an end. End is not the end. In fact, end is effort never dies. Thank you.